Hi everyone, this is just a real simple video of using gold pigment over a pretty polished Pajama Party by Madam Glam. Here you're looking at the gold pigment that I used. Now there's quite a bit of difference in these two gold pigments here. I'm just showing you the difference. The one on the right is actually the one I used, and the one on the left you can see it has more sparkles in it. I didn't use that one. So this one was bought about a year ago, so I don't have the actual link that I bought mine at, but I do have a link in the description box that's very close, and I'm very sure that that's the same one that I got, and it's only like 99 cents, free shipping. So it should work for you. If not, you know, you're not out of a lot of money. And I bought the pigment from eBay. There's the pigment. And I just take a sponge applicator and apply it over a top coated nail. And you want to use a top coat that is rubberized, and I find that Elite 99 is very good for that. And then you just take your applicator and you burnish it into the nail. Real simple to do. And if you do miss a spot, it will show up. You can see by my cuticle area down there, I didn't get close enough, and you can see the nail polish peeking through. And I do go in after the video and kind of fix that area just by applying some more top coat and then some more gold pigment. It's just beautiful, very shiny. That Pajama Party by Madam Glam is just one polish that you will want to have. And remember, I got my coupon code on the screen right now, Denise30 for 30% off. So be sure and take advantage of that. And now it's just time to top coat. Very shiny and just brings out the beauty in this nail even more so. Just gorgeous. That gold pigment is well worth the money. And of course, Pajama Party is too. And there's the finished nails. It is the breast cancer awareness nails that I did right here with that beautiful pigment on that Pajama Party nail. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.